Hello everyone. Welcome again in Data Science Learning tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall discuss data science applications. Welcome in Data Science Learning. Data science is implemented in e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart. It also the logic behind Netflix recommendation. Now, in all, actually quality data science is made remarkable changes in today's market. Its application range from credit card fraud detection to self-driving cars and virtual assistants such as Siri and Alexa. Let's consider an example. Suppose you look for shoes on Amazon, but you do not buy it then in there. Now the next day you are watching videos on YouTube and suddenly you see an ad for the same item. You switch to Facebook there. Also, you see the same ad. So, how does this happen? The question is that how does this happen? Well, this happen because Google track your search history and recommend ads based on your search history. This is one of the coolest application of data science. In fact, 35% of Amazon revenue is generated by product recommendation, and the logic behind product recommendation is obviously data science. Okay, let me tell you another sad story. Scott Gillis never imagined his Apple Watch might save his life. But that exactly what happened a few months ago when he had a heart attack in the middle of the night. But how could a watch detect a heart attack? Any guesses? Well, it's data science again. Apple used data science to build a watch that monitors and individuals collect data such as heart rate, sleep cycle, breathing rate, activity level, blood pressure, etc. This collected data is then processed and analyzed to build a model that predicts the risk of a heart attack. So these were a few application. Now the question is how and why you should become a data scientist. Well, here's mentioned some nice definition. A data scientist is a professional who possesses the ability to transform raw data into useful insights to make better business decisions. According to LinkedIn March 2019 survey, a data scientist is the most promising job role in the US, and it stands at number 1 on Glassdoor best job of 2019. There are a couple of job trends that are collected from LinkedIn top companies like Microsoft, IBM, Facebook and Google have over 1000 job vacancies, and their number is only going to grow. Similarly, these job trends show the vacancy of jobs. With respect to job defame, coming to the salary of a data scientist, the average ranges between $100,000 to $182,000. Now remember that your salary varies on your skills, your level of experience, your geography, and the company you are working for. There are the skills that are needed to become a data scientist. You must be skilled in statistics. Okay. Um, then you have to get expertise in statistics and programming language too, like R language and Python. Is a just you are required to have a good understanding of processes like data extraction, processing, wrangling, and exploration. You must also be well versed with the different types of ML, machine learning algorithms, and how they work. Advanced ML concept like deep learning is also needed. You must also possess a good understanding of the different big data processing frameworks like Hadoop and Spark, And finally, you must know how to visualize the data by using tools like Tableau and Power BI. Now that you know what it takes to become a good data scientist. So, what I told data science skills are data extraction and processing. You must be expert in statistics, data visualization, big data processing frameworks, deep learning, programming languages. Well, some other applications of data science are here like fraud and risk detection, healthcare, as I already told you, advanced image recognition, speech recognition, airline, route planning, targeted advertising, internet search. Well, it's time to bulk up and kick start your career as a data scientist. Well, that's all from my side, guys. If you wish to learn more about such trending technologies, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy learning.